Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to download photos from Google Photos step by step. Whether you want to save a single photo or download multiple pictures to your computer, Google Photos makes the process simple and quick. First, open your web browser and go to Photos.google.com. Then sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Photos home page, browse through your library and open the photo you want to download. Now click the More icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Download. Google Photos will immediately start downloading the selected photo to your computer. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder to confirm that the photo has been saved successfully. If you want to download multiple photos at once, return to your library and select all the photos you need. Then click the More menu again and choose Download. Google Photos may combine multiple photos into a zip file before downloading them. Once the download is finished, you can open the zip file, extract its contents, and access all of your downloaded photos. Downloading your photos is a great way to keep offline copies, transfer them to another device, or create a personal backup. And that's how you can easily download photos from Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.